So renovating a house is a lot of work. It's a ton of work. But the one thing about renovations that it's still a lot of work, but it doesn't seem like a lot of work is demo day! How's your day been?
I need new gloves.
Did you cut your thumb?
I did.
Why did you do that?
You want to see it?
No, gross.
I did not do it in purpose.
In purpose?
I can't talk. I'm like shaking from that deal. My back hurts. And I need new gloves. I've gone through 2 pairs.
Wait a minute.
All the fingers.
My good gloves?
My good gloves and then my gardening gloves. So
Okay.
chill out.
Not my mechanic's gloves.
No, my mechanic's gloves.
Oh, those are brand new.
I know. I wore out all the fingertips on them. Yours are too big for me.
Okay.
Jake. Hey, buddy. Here, buddy. You're such a good boy. Oh, don't bite me. Don't bite me, Jake. Don't bite me. Hey, don't bite me. Good boy, Jake. Uh-oh. Hey, what is it, Jake? What is that? What is that? Peacocks. Door.
Who's faster than an Australian Shepherd? This guy.
Jake, stop it, dude. Jake. No, we found the peacocks.
You did?
Yeah.
The outside?
Yeah.
Oh, you found the peacock.
What happened, Sarah?
Pull the nail out of my shoe. Just take it out.
Where is it?
There.
Oh. Oh, right there?
Yeah, I can't pull it out. Okay, that's it. Ta-da! Whoa, that was cool. Put it on the left-hand side, okay? Hard work. But they say hard work.
Okay, so after a weekend of doing demo between me and my wife, we got a good bit knocked out, surprisingly. I mean, I think my wife and I will be doing 90% of the interior work ourselves. So it's gonna be a slow process, but I think this is This is going to be our forever home. You know, we've renovated quite a few properties, and we're living in right now what was to be a flip house, and we just decided to move into it because it was cheaper than the house we were living in, and it's always good to save money. So we sold the house we were living in and moved into a flip house, and we love it. We've been there for 7 years. It's been great for our family. We've always known that it wasn't perfect, but it worked. And here we are now. We have a home that still isn't perfect. It's not everything we want, but it's a lot of what we want. And the space is here. It's 3,000 square feet. It's 5 bedroom, 3 bath. We don't need more space than this. I mean, this is really all we ever will need. Could want more, but it's all we'll ever need. So I think the space is here. We can make the home what we want it with a little bit of work. We're also on 5.5 acres just outside of the city limits. So the restrictions here are not quite as strong as they would be if we lived literally 200 yards from here. We would be in the city limits. So we're very, very close to town. I may be closer to my store at this house than I am from my other house, and the other house is in the city limits. So this house is closer to most of our activities, and it has the space that we're looking for. And the 5.5 acres is fantastic. There's also a shop on the property, which checks off one of my wish list items. The shop needs a lot of work, and that will be a video series as well. But it's the space, again, the space is there, and there was a kitchen and a bathroom inside the shop. So the skeleton of what I want is there. It just needs love and care. It just needs somebody to give it attention and make it what it could be. And, you know, I mean, that's something that my wife and I are pretty good at. So this will be a fun project for my entire family. And we finally get to make a house for us. We finally get to make a house for us. We're normally making a house for a tenant or making a house for someone else. We're doing a flip house, or, you know, we're always doing the work for somebody else. So this time we're doing it for us, and it's a lot of fun. And my plan right now is to document the entire process, to show you all the wins and all the losses. There will be many failures. I will make many mistakes, but we'll end up with a really good product, and I'm looking forward to it. So there you are. All right, guys, so I got back to my store and I was about to start editing my video, and I realized I didn't ask you to smash the like button. So if you don't mind, do that for me. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, do all those things, and follow this process as we turn this house into our forever home. It's going to be a really cool project in the end. I think you'll be amazed by the transformation. So hit all those notification things, and see you next time. Thanks.